If your water heater was made between 1993 and 1997, the dip tube inside it might be messing with your hot water flow and clogging up your faucets, and you probably didn't even know it. So here's the deal. The dip tube's job is to send cold water straight to the bottom of the tank where it heats up instead of mixing with the hot water on top. When that tube breaks down, your cold water and hot water mix, and you end up with lukewarm water coming out of your taps instead of the nice hot stuff you want. First, check your water heater's serial number. Usually, the third and fourth digits tell you the year it was made. If it's between 93 and 97, you could be dealing with this issue. If you're noticing less hot water or weaker water pressure, that's a red flag. To fix it, you can either replace the whole water heater if it's old, say over 10 years, or swap out the defective dip tube for a better one made from cross-linked polyethylene. After replacing the dip tube, make sure to flush out all the little plastic bits that might have clogged your faucet screens and filters. You might need to flush the system a couple of times to get everything cleared out, but it's worth it to get your hot water back. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with faulty dip tubes is ignoring the problem until it gets worse, which leads to clogged faucets and appliances because of all those plastic pieces floating around. Another common issue is not checking the age of the water heater before deciding what to do. If it's older than 10 years, just replacing the dip tube might be a waste of time since the whole unit could be near the end of its life. Lastly, some folks forget to flush their faucets and filters after replacing the dip tube, and that leaves debris inside causing ongoing problems. The fixes? Check your water heater's manufacturer year carefully. Replace the dip tube only if the unit is younger or in good shape. Otherwise, plan to replace the whole heater, and always flush your system well after any repairs. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff for projects like water heater repairs. Contractors get a steady stream of work through their platform too, so everyone wins when you use their service for home fixes.